Imagine a place where space, as you know it, simply doesn't exist. No length, no width, no height, just a point. Welcome to the zero dimension, where everything begins and nothing takes up space. In this video, we will analyze how would an organism in zero dimension would behave and what would be its characteristics. So, in geometry, a zero-dimensional object is simply a point, an entity with no size, no shape, and no physical extent. It may sound simple, but this humble point is the building block of every dimension. Without zero-dimensional points, nothing else would exist. Lines, shapes, and even entire spaces are formed by connecting points together. They're the fundamental elements that create the higher dimensional world we live in. In the world of physics, zero-dimensional points take on a mysterious role. At the heart of black holes lies a singularity, a place where all mass collapses into an infinitely small space. Some scientists believe this singularity could be zero-dimensional, where even space itself ceases to exist. In quantum mechanics, the idea of zero dimensions appears again. Take the electron, for example. Physicists often model it as a point particle, something that has mass and charge, but no actual size. It's like the laws of the universe allow something to exist without taking up any space at all. Even in fractal geometry, zero-dimensional points play a key role. These points form patterns that repeat infinitely, revealing complex and mind-bending structures, all starting from a single, dimensionless point. In any dimensional space, zero-dimensional points are often used as reference points. This is where coordinates begin, the origin of everything, whether it's a simple line or an entire universe. From the smallest point to the vastness of space, the zero dimension is where it all starts. It may be invisible, untouchable, and without size, but without it, nothing would exist. Zero dimensions are, in a way, the birthplace of everything. Since a zero-dimensional being exists in a space without any dimensions, it would have no physical size, shape, or spatial presence. It would be more like a point of consciousness or information rather than a physical entity. In zero dimensions, there is no concept of distance or space to move through. Therefore, a zero-dimensional organism cannot move or change its position because position doesn't exist in the way we understand it. It would be eternally fixed in its point. Without space, the concept of time may not exist in the conventional sense. The organism might experience everything in a singular moment. Past, present, and future could be indistinguishable. Its perception of existence could be outside of time, perhaps experiencing everything simultaneously. If there were multiple zero-dimensional organisms, they would never meet or interact because there would be no space to separate or bring them together. They could exist independently, unable to communicate or share information in the way physical beings do. Without a body or spatial form, the organism could be entirely made up of pure consciousness, thought, or information. Its being might consist only of abstract states, thoughts, memories, or awareness, rather than physical actions or biological processes. A zero-dimensional organism would not need to consume energy, breathe, or reproduce, since all of these processes rely on space, energy transfer, and time. It could simply exist without the need to sustain itself in any traditional biological sense. So, is zero dimension being possible? We think of God when we hear these characteristics. Also, when we zoom in enough on a point or zero dimension, we get a shape of a sphere or something close to sphere. It may be a matter of perspective and distance. Up until recent years, we thought matter was made of atoms, which were considered smallest. Then we discovered protons, electrons, and now quarks, God particles. And I'm sure we will continue to discover more particles inside what we call smallest today. Maybe we are living in zero dimension for someone else. Who knows? Share your thoughts on this interesting topic in comments below and discuss with your friends. For more contents like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.